All right, boys and girls, we are going to try another problem together. Again, it will be typed up on the slide, and I'm going to walk us through it. Hopefully, this makes sense. It's another three-step problem, but I think working together we can get through this, no problem. So, David's rectangular tent is 5 feet. All right, that's the width, this part here, 5 feet. So I know this end is going to be 5 feet, and so is this end. But I have to figure out what is the length first. So it says the length is twice the width. Okay, so if the length is twice the width, well, length is 2 times 5, so this would be 10 feet. Hopefully I go straight down. Now I can finish my rectangle. Okay, so this is 5 feet times 2, which is 5 feet. So this total is 10 feet. Easy peasy so far, right? All right. So David's rectangular air mattress. So he has a nice air mattress that he's going to lie on at night. That is 3 feet by 6 feet. So it's 3 feet wide. And I'm going to do it like this. 1, 2, 3. I want to put it in this corner. And 6 feet long. So it's a little longer than the 5 feet. I'm going to make it just a little bit farther. And this long. Okay? So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is 3 feet by 6 feet. Okay? So he's nice and comfy there. So far, so good. Now, the question is, if he puts his 3 by 6 mattress in his 5 by 10 tent, how many square feet of floor space are available for the rest of his things? So we want to know how much more space is available. We took out this much. All right, well, first, since we're trying to find square feet, we know that it is area. So how do we solve for area? Well, we take length times width, right? So I'm going to start with the tent. So I'm going to take length, which is 10 feet. Remember, we had to solve for that because it was twice as much as the width. So 10 feet times the width is 5 feet. So we have 10 times 5. Now it's feet this way and this way. So it's 1 square foot, 2, 3, it's all those little squares. Think about in our classroom on the floor, those tiles. Each tile is 1 foot by 1 foot. So if we were in the classroom and we could walk off 5 across and then 10 and count all the squares in there, we would get 50 square feet. All right? Again, that's not our answer. That's how big the tent is. Okay, so David's tent is 50 square feet. All right? So if he puts this in there, how much is left from the 50? So what does this take up? Well, how are we going to solve that? Well, we have to figure out the area of this section, correct? The mattress. So let's do this. Again, you know area is length times width. And I just say it again so that it gets in your head. Length times width, length times width. And the length is 6 feet. And the width is 3 feet. And using your math brains, we know that that is 18, again, square feet. Again, not the answer to our question. So this whole area is 50 square feet. He puts his mattress in there. That takes up 18 square feet. So what are we trying to find? How many square feet of floor space are available once he puts his mattress down? Well, I have 50 square feet. I'm going to take away the 18 that is here, and I'm going to get how many square feet? Well, there's different ways we can solve it. I'm just trying to give you a little bit of time here to work on it on your own. I know that 18 plus 2 is 20, and then 20 plus 30 is 50, so I could say it is 32 square feet. It is really important that we use the correct units here. I know there was a little bit of a problem with the Google form on Monday that some of you may have got the answers marked wrong because you didn't have the correct units. Again, we're really looking for the number and the process. Do you understand what's going on? It's just that area is those square feet because you've got a square foot here, a square foot here, here. It's like if I went back and drew in those grid marks, if we use grid paper, and I would have 10 going across and 5 going this way. Here's my 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then if I made this 1 foot, and I kept doing that, 2, 3, oops, 1, 2, 3. Okay, it's not perfect. And if you are in my class, you know that I don't do this very well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There would be 6. I didn't do that too bad. But each of these would be a square foot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? So you could look at it that way. So there would still be 18 square feet. I'm sorry. That's how much the mattress took up. There's still 32 square feet left over in the tent for David to put the rest of his stuff.